Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to download DeepSeek AI on your iPhone. First of all, open your App Store. Now after you open your App Store, you can see the search icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it. Now after that, click on the search bar on the top and type in DeepSeek AI. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. And here you can see this get button. If you have already downloaded this app before and uninstalled it, then you can see this cloud-like button like this. Click on it to download it again. Now your download has been started. It may take some time depending on your internet connection. After your download is completed, you can see this open button like this. Click on open. And this is how you can download DeepSeek AI on your phone and use it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.